A new field probably I've heard has now come into recognition, which probably would have started, I don't know how many years before, but it has come to my recent observation by the name psychokinesis, if I'm spelling it correctly. It talks about the impact of the human awareness upon the materials. The moment I heard about this subject, it gave me a great element of inducement that now the human interest is also inching further to observe, understand, and explore the dimensions of awareness. Human awareness is a subject, when explored by the human beings, shall afford an opportunity to the mankind to inch into a dimension where growth and the available potentiality for the mankind should usher into a new era which is beyond comprehension at this point of time. These subtler dimensions, which so far have been mostly addressed in a dogmatic manner, with some aspects of research which has been recently attributed or recognized, shall then become the normal talk of the day. Human awareness, rightly understood, and in accordance to if an engineering is done within one's own existence, can explode one's limited self to a higher self, where to one's own comprehension and usage shall be available a vast plethora of faculties of mind. We know ourselves to a limited extent. We are yet unexplored. We might have explored this space. We might have deep desires and dreams to touch distant galaxies. But what about that microcosmic entity containing a macrocosmic might lying embedded deep in each one of us? And the pathway to that goes through awareness. I'm thrilled, enchanted. I'm enjoying that moment when the mankind shall be talking about science in the terms of awareness. That shall be the moment when harmonious affluence, the affluence which is dearest to the mankind today, the cause of the maximum number of conflicts on this day, and harmony, both shall enter a nuptial knot. They shall be wedded with each other, and harmonious affluence shall be the order of their time. We also teach the subject under the parlance of Indian ancient wisdom or the ancient Indian wisdom. I welcome you. Attribute a portion of your interest to the subject of awareness, and you will find new windows opening within your own limited self. And with passage of time, fueled by your interest, new understanding, new explorations, and new discoveries, nowhere else but deep within you, shall start appearing. Take an interest into the parlance of human awareness.